Hi. Nickelodeon trade review. So today daily bias nearly bullish. Ne? So kaya go the 15 minute. Are ke zamo lo bontsha mo e fitlo load mara ke tlo zama lo e tlhalosa ne. But wa bona daily bias nearly bullish we will candle closure above more. So very bullish price action. So kadiang kaya mo 1 hour. Same thing like mo GBP side as you can see. Bullish closure to the upside. This candle bullish. That one. So ka re ke fitla mo ne ke emetse bullish bias ne di le bearish for a while and then while this candle yeah to the upside. So okay, looking for buys and then ka go 15 minute e fitla go 15 minute re ke bona re ke bona mo so ka bona this bullish move up and then got okay, got all right. Price action a re ke bona hourly vele mram hourly ke bona something real quick. Oh yeah, so okay. So X no feature mo kaya ko the 1 minute. Kinyaga the 6 taps, right? Liquidity sweep and then a move higher again. And then kaya kriya, but nonally bearish SMT to the downside. So kaya mela price already yenge. It come at that conjugate it led to that bearish SMT invalidated pele ish ke no ish okay it's a load. So yeah, re fitla mo le ya invalidated then ka enter more the invalidation of the bearish SMT mara price action has no feature yang yeah to the downside. Yeah, better stop. So nearly lost mara ntho e ke lenileng kore ke tšea trade yaka based off 15 minute healing um aligned with the 1 hour wa bona cause eventually nna ne ke bone ka re 15 minute e ba bearish ke retracement mara actually ne se retracement price ile fatshe and then ya hodimo after a while. So thank you ke leboha nako ya hao Jerry ya ho lebelela video and sharp.